Hey folks, Joe Rivas here, the San Diego Mortgage Guy, coming to you from not so sunny San Diego. Looks like we're going to get some rain today. Behind me, I'm outside right now from our CMG building here in Mission Valley, and behind me is the freeway, the 8 freeway. You can hear it going back and forth. And I want to chat with you briefly today, but I want to chat with you. Today's Monday the 8th. Right off the top, I want to say hi, Tiffany. Right off the top, I want to say January 8th. If you didn't know it already, it's Elvis's birthday, or at least it would have been had he not passed in '77. Would have been 83 today. I know mostly all the Elvis songs. I've seen all the Elvis movies. My mom was a huge Elvis Presley fan, and I inherited some of that as well. So first of all, happy birthday, Elvis. You would have been 83. Secondly, I want to talk about smart buyers. Now, I've not shown my playbook in a long time. It's usually a 2-inch thick. Things that I've come across throughout the years, I've always adjusted it, but the reason I bring that up is out of that 2-inch thick playbook that I usually carry, one item in there is actually I created. Everything else was borrowed or updated, but this right here I've been doing since I've been doing this for about at least 15 years. I don't recall if I've gotten it from somebody, so if I did, I'm not trying to take ownership, but this is the only thing that I always claim to be my own. And there are 4 types of buyers or 4 types of borrowers. First of all, and this is why I'm calling them smart borrowers. This is the IQ borrowers, the high IQ borrowers. These are the interested and qualified. These guys are hard to get a hold of, or rather, once you get them, they're the ones that do everything the right way. The second group is the the interested, or the not qualified. I call them the inks. They're interested, they want to buy, but for some reason they're not qualified. I'm going to come back to them, because that's what today's talk is about. Next one is the not interested but qualified. Those are the nicks. And then again, they're qualified, but you got to do a little bit of salesmanship to get them interested in buying. And then last here is the nicks, which is neither interested nor qualified. And unfortunately, a lot of times salespeople pick a lot of time with these types of individuals, and really shouldn't. If they're not interested, if they're qualified but they're not interested, we got to work on it. But if they're interested, there's things that we can do for them. Let me go back to here, the interested, not qualified. Well, the interested, not qualified, usually they're not qualified for a couple of major reasons. One would be, income I can't do anything about. I can't give you a raise. I wish I could. But secondly, it's usually credit. Now, we have a lot of good credit programs that we can, credit repair programs. I can help out as far as giving you good, sound advice, but really, that's fixable. The other part of the not qualified, though, is down payment. Now, a lot of people they're interested in buying a home, or they're interested in refinancing, but they may not have the equity. And a down payment assistance would help with that for those who are looking to purchase a home in 2018. Now, a lot of us have heard about the down payment assistance programs that are out there. One in particular I'll talk about briefly. It's the Golden State Finance Authority Platinum Program. It's owner occupied. It's for down payment and closing costs, up to 5% of the gift funds, not repayable, so that's a good thing. 640 minimum score, and DTI, debt to income ratio, is up to 50%. It's available with FHA, VA conventional loans, and USDA loans. There are some income limits, but that's okay. In San Diego, you can, for FHA, VA, and USDA, it can be $91,195. Riverside County, $84,295. And then for conventional, San Diego, $117,600, and Riverside County, $98,240. So the income limits are not that bad. But again, 50% debt to income ratio, 640 or more, higher on the score. If you're below that, I can help you with that credit if you're interested, but you're not qualified. However, what I really want to talk about is the home funding. Home funding is CMG Financial's exclusive down payment assistance program. Now, that is kind of like a crowdfunding. We've all heard the term crowdfunding. Something happens, an emergency, a tragedy or whatnot, and people gather around, the community gathers around a certain person, and they do a crowdfunding thing. Everybody participates, whether it be $5, $10, $1,000. Home funding is just like that. It's getting the community, your community, involved in getting you that down payment that you need. Now, it's very easy. I talked about your network of potential donors, you know, your parents, your brothers and sisters, childhood friends, aunts and uncles, church members, sports leagues, your alumni, your fraternity, even your workspace, even your workplace. Your support team, just like buying a regular home, just the same program. You know, you got the loan officer. I'm Joe, the San Diego mortgage guy. You've got your realtor. I know a lot of really good realtors, so if you need a referral, let me know. We have a housing counselor. You do have to take some housing counseling, which is a good thing, because then we'll contribute up to, or rather the fund will contribute up to 1% of your closing costs. Appraiser, home inspector, title company. Shout out to Carl Cruiser from Lawyers Title. Thank you, buddy, for the information you sent me Friday. And then on the special occasions, you know, instead of me giving, if I was going to your birthday, instead of me giving you 50 bucks for you know, an Amazon card or a gift card or a Starbucks card, I can donate to your fund. So birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduation gifts, college graduation gifts, holidays, Christmas, you know, New Year's, birthdays, all of that stuff, anybody and everybody can contribute to your Home Fund Me account. Again, we're talking about the interested but not qualified. Not qualified not because of necessary credit, because we can help with that as well, but they're not qualified because of the down payment assistance that you need. You may not have the down payment and or closing costs. Home Fund Me can help you with that. 5 easy steps. That Home Fund Me crowdfunding-like account. 5 easy steps. 1, sign up for your account. Contact me and I'll let you know how to sign up for your account. 2, get pre-qualified. Now again, you have to be qualified. It's a conventional loan, you have to be qualified. So we're talking about credit, we're talking about income, DTI, reserves, things like that. This is to help you with the down payment portion of it. Number 3, you set up your profile. 4, which is basically our blitz, our marketing blitz for you. It's the share with family and friends. I will post this is not what we normally do, but I would shoot a video with you, post it to your social media, tag anybody and everybody, and just ask them to share. And then have there the link on the bottom to your Home Fund Me account. So as your brothers and sisters and cousins are sharing with their family and friends, they might say, oh yeah, I remember Joe. They might throw in another $5 or $10 or who knows how much grandma might contribute. And then again, sign up for the account, get pre-qualified, set up your profile, social media blitz or share with family and friends, and then 5, buy a home. So again, I just want to wrap up what I was talking about, but I want to talk to the 2 or 3 people that I want to make sure we're talking to. 1, January 8th, Elvis' birthday, happy birthday, Elvis. 2, the smart buyers, IQ, the interested, qualified, not interested, qualified, interested but not qualified, and that's who we're talking to. Down payment assistance, and then the Home Fund Me. Home Fund Me, if you are a buyer for 2018 and you want to buy a property in San Diego and or Riverside County, and you're having problems with the down payment, please give me a holler, call me, text me, email me, and we can work on it. We could do the Golden State Finance Authority one, or if you're doing FHA or VA, USDA, or if you're going to do the conventional, we can also do the Home Fund Me portion. And secondly, I want to talk to realtors, buyer's agents. You know, a lot of you guys held open houses this weekend. A lot of you have buyers coming through. I know you have your go-to LO, you have your favorite LO, your first or second, but I want you to consider me for somebody who is interested but not qualified because of down payment, and I can help out with that. Yes, everybody can do mostly everybody is linked into the Golden State Finance Authority, but nobody other than a CMG financial loan officer like myself can help you with the Home Fund Me. I'm Joe Rivas, the San Diego mortgage guy. I appreciate your time. Take care. God bless.